So some of the scholarships that I've received here at BGSU, one of the first ones was the Presidential Scholars Award. So that was actually kind of a longer process. So basically I was reached out to about that, saying you're welcome to apply for this. So I applied, and then from there they said, okay, you moved on to the interview stage. So then I actually came onto BG's campus. Basically that means I'm one of 20 now, so it's kind of a cohort. So we continue throughout the rest of the process to meet with each other and kind of talk about our processes in the Honors College, how everything's going, things like that. And then I also have the one of the out-of-state scholarships. So again, I am just an hour away, but that actually does put me in Michigan. So I'm part of that. I did get one of the kind of more automatic out-of-state scholarships based on your merit, if you have test scores, things like that. So I got one of those out-of-state scholarships. I was awarded one scholarship that was specific to the Study Abroad International Programs award area, and that one would go toward my program for this summer. So I'm actually going to be going to Poland this summer. That will get one of my education-based kind of classes, one of those credits out of the way through going to Poland, which is a really great way of doing that. And then actually after that too, I'm going to Latvia with one of my friends. We're kind of adding another section onto that. So